Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about percent concentration. Many times concentration is expressed in terms of percentage or parts per 100. This video is sponsored by GPAT Discussion Center. Visit JDC for gpat.com for details about GPAT, NIPER, Drugs Inspector and Pharmacist exams. Use Dr. Pushpendra classes coupon code that is PK25 and get 25% discount in all online test series of GDC for gpat.com. So percent concentration is expressed by three ways. First one is percent weight by weight, second one is percent volume by volume, and the third one is percent weight by volume. So coming to the first one, which is percent weight by weight. So formula for percent weight by weight is equal to weight of the solute in gram divided by weight of the solution in gram into 100. Now here I am taking one example of NaCl, how you will prepare 10% weight by weight NaCl. So for preparation of 10% weight by weight NaCl, we have to take 10 gram of NaCl and the total weight of solution should be 100 gram. So ultimately this 100 will be cancelled by this one, this gram will be cancelled by this one, and the remaining is 10% NaCl. So for this solution we have to take 10 gram of NaCl and 90 gram of water. So total weight will be 10 plus 90, it will be 100 gram. Okay. Now coming to the second type of percent concentration, that is percent volume by volume. So formula for percent volume by volume is equal to volume of solute in ml divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. So here I am taking the example of acetic acid, how you will prepare 10% volume by volume solution of acetic acid. So for preparation of 10% volume by volume acetic acid, we have to take 10 ml of glacial acetic acid, then that glacial acetic acid will be dissolved in distilled water and the final volume will be make up to 100 ml. So here this 100 will be cancelled with this one, because final volume is 100 ml of solution, and this ml will be cancelled by this one. So ultimately it will be 10% of glacial acetic acid. So this is only an example, that is why here I have taken the percent purity of glacial acetic acid as 100%. Now coming to the next one, that is percent weight by volume. So formula for percent weight by volume is equal to weight of solute in gram divided by volume of solution in ml into 100. So here also I am taking one example, how you will prepare 10% NaOH solution. So for preparation of 10% NaOH solution, first we have to take 10 gram of NaOH and the final volume of the solution will be 100 ml, and it will be multiplied with 100. So this 100 will be cancelled with this one. So ultimately final concentration for this 10 gram NaOH will be 10% weight by volume, that is in gram per ml. Now here I am taking one simple question related to this percent concentration, and that is Calculate the normality of 20% weight by volume NaOH solution. This question is very easy. So here as per question, 20 gram NaOH will be present in 100 ml of solution. So this question can be solved very easily because 4 gram of NaOH is present in 100 ml, then it will be 1 normal NaOH, but here it is 20 gram, so 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 normal NaOH solution. So this is our answer. Normality of 20% weight by volume NaOH solution will be 5 normal. So this is the details about percent concentration. Thank you.